Alright, so I got this steam cleaner for Christmas and we're gonna see how it does.
Who's out on a run? It's CoCo. She's always having fun. It's CoCo. Her adventures big and small. She'll take us through all crazy adventures of CoCo.
If I can figure out how to work it. Okay, looks like I got that clicked in. Let's see if I can figure this out. Turn on, off. I should just... I guess we have to wait till it's dry and see if it looks any different. Alright, so I'm not exactly sure I emptied it, but look at how gross the water is. That's disgusting. Oh my gosh. Alright, so it says quick pour spout. I wonder if that's just, you pour it out through there maybe? Oh no, this looks so gross. Oh my gosh. That's disgusting. And that's just like one time. I mean, I'm sure if I go back over it, oh, there's no way they cleaned these carpets before we moved in here. Because this is right by the front door and hardly anybody ever comes in or out that front door. Hardly anybody. That's just, oh, I'm gonna throw up. Wait a minute, how do you open this one? Pull to lift. Oh my gosh. How do you, oh. Okay, we're just gonna rinse this out. This is gross. Okay, hold on. Oh, so disgusting. We've been living in this, guys. Oh, nobody better lay their baby on our floor. Oh man, that's disgusting. Well, once we get done cleaning, it'll be beautiful though, hopefully. I wonder how many times it would take before it comes up clear.
Probably a lot. But we got time.
Yeah, but yeah, it's time. We got nothing else going on. Oh, what's in the filter? Oh, what's that? Looks like eggs or something. Oh,
Why would you touch it?
well, because it's gross. Let me just rinse that off real quick. Ugh. All right, well, guess I better finish vacuuming now. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. That filthy water was just from this little section as you walk in the door, just to the couch. Just that section is all I cleaned. I'm tempted to go back over this exact same section just to see if it comes any cleaner, the water. It's just, oh my gosh, that's gross. All right, let me put this back in here. All right, let's do this again. Let's come back over here. I'm gonna do the same section just to see. Do the same section one more time and see if the water comes clearer this time. Gosh, I hope so. Okay, let's see. I honestly think it's just as brown, but let's give it a pour and see what happens. This is so nasty. Oh my gosh, how many times is it gonna take before the water comes clear? How many times do you think?
A lot.
Oh my gosh. This is disgusting. All right, so this is from the kitchen going into the room I was cleaning. Looks like there's still something there I gotta go over. I got all this carpeting done. It looks a lot better. Still got a lot of drying to do, especially compared to the stairs. Look how dirty the stairs, I haven't done them, how dirty they look compared to the carpet. This took me, seriously, almost 4 hours. And I bet this room ain't even like a couple hundred square feet, if that. Oh my gosh, it's so dirty.